Hello everybody. The terms in this series are 2, 9, 28, 65 and 126. These numbers are close to perfect cubes of natural numbers. Let's see. 1 cube is 1 into 1 into 1 is 1. 2 cube is 2 times 2, 4, 4 twos are 8. 3 cube, 3 threes are 9, 9 threes are 27. 4 cube, 4 fours are 16, 16 fours are 64. 5 cube, 5 fives are 25, 25 fives are 125. 6 cube, 6 6 are 36, 36 6 are 260. 7 cube, 7 sevens are 49, 49 sevens are 343. The first term here, 2, is 1 more than 1 cube. So we can write the first term as 1 cube plus 1. The second term, 9, is 1 more than 2 cube. So 9 can be written as 2 cube plus 1. The third term, 28, is 1 more than 3 cube, 27. So 28 can be written as 3 cube plus 1. The fourth term, 65, is also 1 more than 4 cube, 64. 4 cube plus 1. The fifth term, 126, is 1 more than 5 cube. So the fifth term can be written as 5 cube plus 1. The terms in this series are 1 more than 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube and 5 cube. So the next term should also be 1 more than the next cube, and the next cube is 6 cube. 6 cube is 216 plus 1. That will give us the next number, 270. The next term should also be 1 more than the next cube. The next cube after 6 cube will turn out to be 7 cube. 7 cube is 343 plus 1 gives us the next term, 344. If you are not comfortable with cubes, then in that case, you can work with the differences. 9 is 7 more than 2. 28 is 19 more than 9. 65 is 37 more than 28. 126 is 61 more than 65. See, the first level of difference is not helping us that much to find the next terms. So let's see. Let's find the second level difference. 19 is 12 more than 7. 37 is 18 more than 19. 61 is 24 more than 37. Here we see that each succeeding second level difference is 6 more than the preceding second level difference. 18 is 6 more than 12. 24 is also 6 more than 80. So the third level differences are going to be 6. The next third level difference is going to be 6. So can we find the second level difference, second level fourth difference after 24? Yes. And that will be 6 more than 24. And that will come to 24 plus 6, 30. Fourth second level difference is 30. So from here, can we find the first level difference, fifth first level difference after 61? That will be 30 more than 61. 61 plus 30 will give us 91 as the fifth first level difference. Next term will be 91 plus 126 will give us 270 as the next term. The next third level difference is also going to be 6, and next second level difference is going to be 36, and next first level difference is going to be 127. So the next first level difference is going to be 217 plus 127 will be 344.